This is a video to show how to use assembly environment of the solid edge to put parts together. You can use the command learned in this video to help you to do the assembly for your assignment. Start solid edge, click on new, click on this GB matrix assembly. Then you will be able to see something like that. If not, click on this drop-down menu and click on the part library. So then you will be able to access the folders on your computer. Once you have access to your computer, you will see the models you created. For the pin bushing circular assembly, we use the pin as the first part. You can double click. It should be appears in the working area. Then you can double click the circle, not this one. Right, that's in there as well. Then we can use this assemble command and select the XOR line. Zoom in and click that axis, and zoom in to click that axis. Right. Now we can move to the mate command here. Click. You can use the wheel to do that. Okay, if you cannot find a proper place to mate, you need actually move around and then click. You can see a circle is in the position. So first we do align, second we do mate. We can do the same for the other circle. You can either double click it or just drag it in somewhere like this. And select this one, select XOR alignment. Select that axis, select that axis. Now we can select mate this area. Against area of that click. That is sits in the position. Next is to add the bushing into it. The bushing is here, drag here, click, select XOR line, select axis bushing, select axis of pin. Then next is to use planar line to align planar line. Like that plane with this plane. It is not right in the middle, but we can edit it by select it and select this one and select this one into a figure 9. Press return. You'll see it is right in the middle. Oh. That's it for this video.